Ibig sabihin, tumatanda ka na. Ang wish ko sa'yo, number one, good health, since marami na sumasakit sa katawan mo. Number two, safety, since parati kang umaalis, nagda-drive, parati ka sanang mag-ingat. And pangatlo, more blessings. Maraming benta pa para syempre may pang Watsons ang anak mong tuyuin. Yun lang. Thank you sa lahat and we love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Stay healthy and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Hope more birthdays to come in your life and stay healthy. At kahit lagi mo kami napapagalitan dahil pasaway din kaming lahat. Hindi naman isa-isa kasi lahat naman kami napapagalitan mo. Pero tatandaan mo, mahal na mahal ka namin lahat. That's all.
Happy birthday, Papa. I am grateful to have you as my Papa. Thank you for everything. I love you.
Hi, Papa. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything. I will always be here for you. I love you.
Happy birthday! Ikaw ang paborito namin, Papa.